Hi everyone, and welcome to How to Log Into, the show where I show you how to log into anywhere you need to go. Because sometimes it's really hard to log into places, and other times it's really easy. Today we're going to be logging into Prodigy. And if you've ever been to Prodigy before, you know that that's an educational site that kids can go on to do math games or language games. So, in order to get to Prodigy, you'll either have to search in a search bar the words Prodigy, or you will have a shortcut given to you by somebody that you can click on. For the purposes of this video, let's type in Prodigy, Prodigy. There it is, the first one on the screen. The purple means that I have been there before. See how it's a different color than the blue? Go ahead and click on that. You'll come to this page and it will ask you if you're a student, an educator, or a parent. Click on the one that applies to you. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to click here. Now, you might be provided with an account. You might have to either type in your username or password here, or you can choose one of the following 4 tabs to preload your information if it's already there. So in my case, my information is already preloaded on Google. Click on Google or whichever one you need to, and then find the associated account. If you are playing at home, click at home. If you are playing at school, click school. I'm at home, so I'm going to click on home. Once you get here, you're going to choose either math or English. And there you have it. Your game is basically logged into. The one thing you might need to update is this little box over here. It says new teacher. So if you have a new teacher in a new classroom that is using Prodigy, click here to update, and you should be provided with a class code that you will enter into here. Click save, and you are done. If you do not have a new teacher, or you do not have a code or anything like that at all, don't worry. All you have to do is click next, and there you go. It asks you to choose your world. So if you want to play with other people online, you can choose a world from here. You can click on more worlds, and the green rectangles indicate how many people are in that server. So 2 would indicate less than 4. You also have the opportunity to play online if you click up here. But if you want to play with your friends, it's better to choose a world that they're already in. Okay, I hope that helped everybody figure out how to log into Prodigy. I would love to know what you would like to log into next, and I'll see you later.